শহরের চেনা ডাক্তার পাড়ার ভিড় ছাড়িয়ে আরেকটু দূরে গড়ে উঠেছে এক প্রতিষ্ঠান যার নামেই বিশ্বাস, বেঙ্গল ফেথ হসপিটাল।
Hi, I am Dr.Saswata from Bengal Faith Hospital, and I like to present two cases about. One is about GCT, distal femur GCT, replaced with Megaprosthesis implantation, and another is a old malunited IT femur fracture that is also replaced with a long stem total hip replacement, arthroplasty. Now, for the topic one, I would like to say he is a very after operation, the patient becomes very close to me. He was suffering with a giant cell tumor of distal femur for last 3 months. Came to my OPD, and he was when he come to my OPD, he was little bit confused about the outcome and the result of the treatment that I have offered to him. But after proper counseling, he agreed with me and go for Megaprosthesis replacement. I have replaced that patient near about 4 to 5 years back, and now he can do everything. Everything means he can ride bicycles, he can ride scooty, vagera, etc. So he is enjoying his life with that big implant. And I am very happy with the result of this patient.
বেঙ্গল ফেথ হাসপাতাল, নবাবহাট স্বাস্থ্যনগরী, বর্ধমান।